What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. Now, in this one, I want to talk about meme coins, but specifically, I wanted to hone in on the Floki ecosystem. Floki is a project and a ecosystem that honestly does something better than every other meme coin that's out there. I've explained this plenty of times. They're the only one that actually adds utility, that actually brings on partners, that brings more popularity to not only Floki, but also to the overall ecosystem, the overall crypto world. And when we notice that we look at some of these meme coins, we see some similarities, right? We see dog coins, we see frog coins. But one thing that we're kind of seeing not a lot of are cat coins. However, there's an untapped potential there, untapped market there that I feel as though could go a lot further. I've said this time and time again that cat coins could make definitely some big moves within this bull run, like dog coins did in the last bull run. Now, how does this tie together? Floki is partnering with this new project that we're going to talk about here today, an exclusive project that I think you guys all want to be a part of because it is something that's partnering with $1 billion meme coin, $1 million cryptocurrency project in Floki. Now, we're going to talk about that in this video. If you guys could, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links down below. I will provide all of the links for everything down below in the description. But again, if we move back to Floki here and understand what's going on there, if you look at this, you can see that Floki's ecosystem has a lot of things going for it, right? Valhalla, right? The largest play to earn game that's out there. Honestly, I think Floki actually just became the largest play to earn cryptocurrency that is on the market. So congratulations to them for that. But you see TokenFi, you see the ability to stake, you see FlokiFi, NFTs, the prepaid cards, Floki Places, University of Floki, and then you have the trading bot, which we will touch on in a little bit. So they have a lot of things that are going for them and the things that they're doing that I feel like you guys need to just get an understanding of a little bit more. I've made a couple of videos on it, but you guys should understand that. But not only are you seeing that they are doing so much here, but they're also partnering with different projects and different things that can be popular, that are popular, that can bring more more popularity back to Floki. If you see this news right here, Simon's Cat is launching a meme coin in partnership with Floki. This is a huge deal, right? What is Simon's Cat? Simon's Cat honestly is huge on YouTube. There's so many views, so many subscribers. Literally, you have 1.6 billion YouTube views. You have 6.3 million YouTube subscribers, 9.9 million Facebook fans, 5.4 million Instagram followers, 420 or 450,000 Twitter followers, a Wikipedia page, all of the hype that goes with this. You literally have a meme coin that's going to have consistent content that's created around it to kind of push it to the next level or elevate that to the next level. Like, to give you an example, this is Simon's Cat's YouTube channel, 6.27 million subscribers, and you go in here, you see 133 thousand views 2 days ago. This is something that will continuously have popularity. When you're looking for something that, like, let's say a meme coin that's out there, like a Shiba Inu or Dogecoin, you're looking for updates, you're looking for newer videos, you're looking for all of these things that can push it to the next level. Simon's Cat can do that automatically, which is honestly something that's a huge selling point, because it will continue to push more people to now see this as more than just a YouTube thing or just an animated series. You're looking at something a lot bigger. You're looking at, for you as an investor, you're looking at something a lot bigger. So the cat meme coin sector is a budding and rapidly growing sector, and it's worth 2.9 billion in market cap compared to the 36 billion dollar market cap for the dog coin or dog meme coins. The biggest dog coin is 6x bigger than the entire cat meme coin sector, showing just how small the sector is right now, meaning that there's a lot of growth. The most popular cat coins are PopCat, Mog, Mew, which represent recently hit a market cap high of 700 million to $1 billion, which again, huge. You see the level of growth that this can see. While other major cat coins are based on the Solana and Ethereum blockchain, Simon's Cat will be first on the BNB chain. This launch is timed just before the expected release of CZ, the former CEO of Binance who helped build BNB chain. His release is anticipated to boost the BNB ecosystem, which could benefit Simon's Cat as a leading token on the BNB chain. It is also launching in partnership with Floki, BNB chain, and DWF Labs. Simon's Cat will be launching in an exclusive collaboration with Floki, which again, this is why they all tie together. You have the multi-billion dollar market cap of Floki and the firepower that they do have with their ecosystem, the things that they're building, and honestly the popularity that they gain with now Simon's Cat, who already has popularity as an animated series, but now needs popularity as, you know, a new token that's coming to the BNB chain. A portion of supply will be airdropped to Floki holders. A portion of supply will be airdropped to users who trade Simon's Cat with Floki trading bot. The Simon's Cat token presale will be conducted through Floki's TokenFi Launchpad. The Simon's Cat meme coin is officially linked to the mainstream Simon's Cat brand and backed by their IP, which is, again, a huge deal because people always ask this stuff, you know, will you have any trouble with that? And you don't, right? It's completely backed by that. You also have the main Simon's Cat brand / series will be pushed on Simon's Cat's meme coin YouTube or on YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and all of its channels. This should give more mainstream advantage and reach compared to other cat meme coins. Again, I don't know how much I have to express how big of a marketing platform that is to have this animated series, and not necessarily just like, hey, you know, go and buy this type of thing. It's just like, it's there. And if you're looking for it, you have that. It's something that's going to be probably one of the most popular. I would bet that it's probably going to be the most popular cat coin that is out there in the crypto market, and will kind of fuel the fire for a lot of others to kind of be a copycat. I didn't mean to, you know, put that in there, but will fuel a lot of others to be a copycat there. So you have some of the announcements here and some of the conversations that are happening over here on Twitter. Animated cat brand Simon's Cat is launching a meme coin in partnership with Floki, with a portion of the supply earmarked for an airdrop to Floki token holders. You also have this one here, which Floki and TokenFi holders will be the main beneficiaries of the hottest meme coin launch this year. Floki holders will be airdropped Simon's Cat tokens proportionate to their holdings. Token stakers will be the main pre-sale participants through TokenFi. Exclusive animated cat brand Simon's Cat is launching a meme coin in a partnership with Floki. A portion of supplies earmarked for an airdrop for Floki token holders. Again, I don't know how many times I have to say this. So that means that Floki, another meme coin that's worth $1.2 billion, but also looking at more than just a meme coin, looking at it at a level to where you're like, this is kind of the cream of the crop of meme coins. And the reason why I would say this is because they're the only ones, if you look at the meme coin market, they're the only ones that actually create utility, that actually care about a lot of different things and a lot of the partnerships that they create and they have there. They care about the holders, and that's why they have gone so far, right? It's not just about the fact that you're popular because you're popular, or popular because of being random. You're popular because of the fact that you were able to build so many things. You had the instant popularity from the beginning, and then you started to build on that to give yourself something bigger, to be worth $1.2 billion, $2 billion, and so on and so forth. There's active ongoing discussions with currently several Tier 1 exchanges about Simon's Cat token, and several have already confirmed they will be listing it on day one of the token going live. So just to give you kind of a recap on a lot of things, if you wanted that, So Simon's Cat mainstream reached the popularity, especially compared to the other top cat meme coins like PopCat, Mog, Mew. Um, how small a cat meme coin sector is how mainstream how a mainstream brand like Simon's Cat joining can help rejuvenate it. Floki's involvement and the fact that Floki holders will be airdropped, and this will launch on TokenFi's launchpad is definitely a huge deal. How this will be used mainstream through all Simon Cat's channels or Simon's Cat channels is definitely a big deal, a huge marketing push. And then CEX's locking down for Simon's Cat to list them is again a huge deal. Now we do have some other updates when you talk about Floki. Floki has just been listed on Kraken as a spot listing, making it easy to buy Floki on one of the most trusted US-based cryptocurrency exchanges with crypto and fiat. You can now buy Floki with Euro and USD on Kraken, which is, again, great. So many different places to where you can purchase it makes it better for growth, for volume, for notoriety, for just everything. With over 10 million users in 190 plus countries, this listing not only further legitimizes Floki, but also significantly enhances its market liquidity and reach, which should accelerate Floki's mission to become the world's most known and most used cryptocurrency. That's kind of a mission that I can fully get behind. If you're a meme coin and you think about it for what meme coins really stand for, meme coins are all about kind of investing into that position, but investing into it for a profit at a certain level. While this is still for a profit, you would like to have profit, you understand how you could utilize it. And that's a bigger deal than just sitting on something and waiting for it to go, like you're just poking it with a stick saying do something. Also, in some other news, they launched a trading bot that currently is in open beta. They had a competition that went from July 29th to August 2nd, which would be a $10,000 plus Floki trading bot competition. Now, the trading bot, is as follows here. I did go into the trading bot. If you guys want to check out my referral link, I will put my referral link down below in the description, at the top of the description, if you want to, be a part of that. But it's fairly simple. You literally just transfer over your BNB. You could buy crypto from there as well. And then you can also, if you wanted to trade something, all you have to do is enter the address of what that is, and you could trade that as well. So it's honestly easier than you going over here and trying to copy everything and making sure you buy the right thing. And sometimes people make mistakes, but if you copy the right address, you can do that over here very, very easily. So if you guys want to check that out, I will provide my referral link down below, but they did have a competition. It's currently in open beta as we speak. Also, one more thing is that Floki has become the biggest play to earn cryptocurrency, which I did allude to earlier in the video. But that's huge. To be at the top of the list of anything means that you're doing something right. So that's definitely a big deal for Floki. You also have Valhalla, which I did end up starting a journey for, which is their play to earn NFT metaverse. If you guys wanted to go and check that out, I will provide links down below for you guys to go over to floki.com to see everything about Valhalla. But yeah, you can open it up, you can join now, be a part of it, and also earn something in the process. And this just goes to show how many things they're actually doing over at the Floki ecosystem, at Floki HQ, right? You have TokenFi is an official member of ERC 3643 Association, codenamed T-Rex. Is the token protocol for the regulated tokenization of real world assets. It is an open source protocol that has tokenized 28 billion plus dollars in assets. So again, absolutely huge there to have that association there. It goes to show how many things is the Floki ecosystem a part of and that they're doing, and the different things that they're doing correctly. So I'm excited about this. There's so many things that I can get excited about. Sometimes it's too overwhelming. You have a lot of stuff that's there. But all I know that you want to take from this video is that Simon's cat is probably going to be the biggest cat coin that's out there. Floki is doing big things. TokenFi is doing big things. So you probably want to be a part of all three of those. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to check out any of the links for Floki, for Simon's Cat, for TokenFi, for all of those things, I will provide those in the description. But I got to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.